Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Deep Learning Fundamentals. Stacking Neural Networks for Power. Imagine a neural network as a super smart puppy. You show it pictures of cats and dogs, and it slowly learns to tell them apart. Each picture is data, and the puppy's brain is the network, learning patterns to make predictions. In programming terms, it's a complex system of interconnected nodes, neurons, processing information. Our puppy can learn to distinguish cats and dogs with some training. That's a single-layer network. But what if we wanted to also identify breeds? We need a * multi-layer network. Each layer learns a more complex feature, like ear shape, then body size, then breed. It's like adding more sophisticated thinking to our puppy. Stacking layers is like giving our puppy advanced learning tools. Each layer builds upon the previous one, creating a deep learning process. This lets us tackle complex problems that a single-layer network couldn't handle. Imagine the puppy now identifying cats, dogs, and the specific breed, even in blurry pictures. This is deep learning. Let's say we want to build an AI that recognizes handwritten digits. A single layer might detect lines and curves. A second layer might combine those to recognize basic shapes like circles and loops. A third layer could finally determine the digit 0, 1, 2, etc. This is how a deep neural network would break down a complex task. While the underlying math is complex, you can use libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch to build these networks. It's like using Lego blocks. You assemble pre-made components, layers, to create your deep learning model. We won't dive into code deeply here, but focus on the concept. Training is like showing our puppy many examples and giving feedback. Yes, that's a Siamese cat. Single quote. We use algorithms to adjust the network's weights, connections between neurons, to improve its accuracy over many iterations. It's an iterative process of refinement. Deep learning powers self-driving cars, image recognition, voice assistance, speech recognition, and medical diagnoses, image analysis. It's revolutionizing many industries by solving problems that were previously impossible for computers. Ready to build your own deep learning models? Explore frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Start with simple examples and gradually increase the complexity. Many online resources and tutorials are available to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.